It's good?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Okay. The main tips is to not purchase challenge without any proven strategy in the market. Because I think that prop firms are a great opportunity for us, but a lot of people don't respect them. It's not like a casino. You can't expect to pass a challenge without a proven strategy. I, for example, used to make these mistakes and I waste a lot of time and money. So don't do it. So my trading strategy is a combination between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. First of all, I go with the fundamental, looking for COT report, seasonality, short-term and long-term valuation with treasury, US dollar and gold. And after I found a bias, I play this strategy along multiple crosses like Forex market, commodity, agriculture, indices. After I have a bias on fundamental, for example, bullish on euro dollar, I go for checking the timing in the market with the technical analysis, so supply and demand. This strategy that I learned is from Online Trading Campus, while today I can proudly say that I became a mentor. You can try trading with up to 400k US dollar on Fintokei. No obligation, no risk on losing equity, but you can get a share of the profit you make. You educate yourself and try everything out on real data. You can move on as a trader very quickly and earn a solid income. Fintokei is backed by a brokerage firm with more than 15 years of experience that provide traders with modern tools, quality data, and payout processing within one day. There are good reasons to trust this firm. So let's accelerate together with Fintokei.